everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would tell you about the job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience, and we will share with you the remote job opportunities as well, the work from home job opportunities, because many of the people are approaching us for the work from home opportunities. So let me tell you about those opportunities. So first job opportunity is for a senior QA automation role, and this is a work from home job opportunity, and the location is Mohali, but you don't have to worry about that because it's a work from home, it's a remote role. So they're looking for someone who has 4+ years of experience in QA and 2+ years in automation using Playwright, strong programming skills, Python, Java, C Sharp, API testing expertise. You should have knowledge of AI, ML and testing, CI/CD, DevOps, health tech experience is mandatory. So these are the health tech experience that you should have. You need to send your resume to this particular email address. Then there's a requirement for manual tester role, and they are looking for someone who has 2 to 5 years of experience, and someone who has currently minimum 2 years of stability per organization. So you should not be switching too often. So this is what they are looking for, and it's a hybrid role. Overall experience is 1 to 5 years is expected. And if you are interested for this manual testing, functional testing job opportunity, so you can share your resume to this particular email address, right? I think there is a typo here. So from the LinkedIn, when we are taking this job opportunity, it is sonal@skyleaf.global itself. But I think after that .com would also come, right? So but try sending email to these email addresses, right? So they are looking for someone who has worked in the financial services wealth market. Then there's a requirement for manual QA contract based role. Experience required is 2 to 4 years. Location is Delhi. And this is the link. So I'll be putting all these links in the first comment of the video itself. Then there's a requirement for QA manual testers. The focus is on CRM. Again, it's a remote role. So they are looking for 5 to 8 years of experience in manual testing with CRM product exposure. And you need to send your CV to this particular email address. Then there's a requirement for the with one of the client for a QA automation lead role. So the title is QA automation healthcare, and the location is Chennai, Hyderabad. Position type is permanent. Experience level is 7+ years. So if you are someone who is having the exposure or who is having the work experience with respect to this particular things like UI automation using Selenium WebDriver, strong command of Java, file handling automation with text JSON in Java, must have experience in Agile Scrum ceremonies, then you can send your resume to this particular email address. Then there's a requirement for a QA engineer at one of the Pune-based location, and they are looking for someone who has experience of 4+ years. Joining is immediate. So these days, companies are looking for immediate joiners. So you can connect with them to this particular email address, and these are the role highlights that they are looking for. Then Excellentia is also hiring for QA automation engineer. Experience required is 3 to 4 years, and they are looking for someone who has worked in the frameworks like TestNG, Cucumber, and someone who has hands-on experience in SQL scripting with advanced SQL skills. So if you're interested, you can send your resume to this particular email address. Then Aristocrat Gaming is looking for Python automation tester with 5 to 7 years of experience to join their team in Noida. So they are looking for someone who has tested and who has automated the gaming kind of applications, softwares. So you can apply over here. Then there's a requirement for immediate joiners for the below mentioned roles of product manager, product delivery manager, senior product delivery manager, and they are looking for the roles for the location of Mumbai, Pune, and Chennai, and experience required is 3 to 10 years. So you can share your profile at this email address itself. So you should have skill set, you should have experience in product management, technology, software development, strong background in artificial intelligence, strong understanding of multi-agent systems, experience with agile methodologies and tools. Then there's a requirement for mobile test engineer, and they are looking for someone who has got experience of 3+ years. Location is again Noida, and notice period is immediate. APM expertise is mandatory. So these are the skill sets that they are looking for. Test planning, test case design, automation testing using APM, strong hands-on experience in mobile testing, Android and iOS, And if you're interested, you can share your resume at this particular email address. Then there's a requirement for the testers. Again, it's a virtual recruitment drive which is happening on 29th of November. That is in the upcoming weekend, Saturday itself. It's a virtual mode, and the locations is they are expecting candidates to join from Chandigarh, Noida, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Gurgaon based locations. So you can drop your resume at this particular email address with the subject line virtual drive hyphen 29 November role name, or you can also DM the details to them. So what you have to do is you have to connect with some of the recruiters, some of the HRs who are working in the testing experts team. So this is one of the email address that I've shared. If you are able to connect with more people from testing experts, it would be good. Try getting a referral and try going for this particular round. It would be definitely your resume would be getting shortlisted if you are getting the referral, because people who have the referrals are given first priority. So try to go ahead with the referral, and let me show you the different job opportunities also that are there in this company. So you can apply for those for those positions, sorry. Um, So these are the job opportunities that they are looking for. SDET, Selenium, Playwright, Lambda test, and browser testing. Again, SDET with Selenium, Java, Playwright. So 8 to 12 years, 6 to 6 plus years. Then again, 5 to 7 years, 4 to 6 years, 3 to 7 years. So multiple positions with respect to variety of experience they are looking for. So you can apply for these particular positions today itself, right? So share your resume to the email address mentioned, and this walk-in drive would be on 29th of November. So don't forget to apply for that walk-in drive. It's a virtual mode, right? Virtually they'll connect with you. So apply for this particular position, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.